Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my another new video. Today I will show you common ways to enter dates and times in Excel 2013. So inputting dates and times using recognized formulas. Although Excel stores dates as special numbers and times as decimal fractions. Luckily, you don't have to use these numbers to enter dates or times of the day into cells of the worksheet. You simply enter dates by using any of the recognized date number formats that are used by Excel. You can see, click there, and there have a short date, long date, and more number formats. Then click date. You can see there have a many format of date and time. You can see that there have a many format. So you enter times by using any of the recognized time number formats. Excel then assigns and stores the appropriate serial number or decimal fraction. At the same time, the program assigns the date or time format that you used for this value. So like you enter the cell on /6 and /2013, and when click there, and as display on the formula bar, January 6 2013. And similarly, you write \613. Similarly, it showed January 6 2013. And input that on -6-13. It's also displayed on /6/2013, and it's also January 6 2013. Then you write 6 January 13. This is also date format and displayed January 6 2013. Then 6 January, and when you write January 6, this is the automatically convert 6 January. So this is the displayed on the formula bar. And when you write date and time 1/6/13, 5 25, then enter. So then you can write 1 6 13 5 25 a dot m. M dot. This is the time and date format. And similarly 5 25, this is the time, and you can write 5 clone 25 00 am. This is also time format, and this is the different time format. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe my channel for new video updates.